are community-based. That's not just a word that we use. It's not a line that we put on our marketing. It's what we live. Everyone here lives and breathes the patient experience. We are embedded in the community. We live here, we're raising our families here, and we want community oncology to thrive for the future. Co-practice administrator, that term could be seen as an executive or manager. I work with a team of professionals to oversee the day-to-day operations of our 8 offices here at North Shore. And whether they're at the front desk, we want them to be greeting patients with a smile, first and foremost. That could also be someone in the call center when they answer the phone. You want to hear them smiling over the phone is sometimes a term we use. Small businesses have billing, small businesses have accounts payable, accounts receivable, various departments that work in the background. And that's no different here at North Shore Hematology Oncology. And all of those departments work in conjunction with the clinical staff to provide excellent care. And we're really here to ensure that doctors can do their job, which is take care of patients. The primary focus and goal for every person in this office and every department, every manager, is patient care, first and foremost.